Hello from Southeast Virginia. You have made it to another exciting adventure where we're building an airplane. Part 103 Ultralight, 254 pounds, Mini Max 1030R. The workshop fairy came in and cleaned up my workshop. You see behind me the workbench don't look too bad. And he also got started on the turtle deck. And that's that little rounded area behind the cockpit, the top side. It is, more of a cosmetic thing. It's not really that structural, but it does protect you in a roll. You roll over it, you got some structure behind you. It's not bulletproof or none of that. Let me show you what we got. We got these bulkheads made, and I got the glued in place, and I got the 9 in place, and I got this F6 in place, and I got these little pieces made. And here's what it looks like. The glue's about dry. I just set these this morning. These pieces. So they're probably dry enough I can let them loose. Them 2 ribs are just sitting there. I put them there to get the right gap. Get the right gap here for them formers. Anyway, I don't have a lot of time tonight. Didn't have much time today. I don't have much time going on, but we're going to put these in right quick. See what happens. Alright, so length here. $58 inches. I think all these are 63. Yep. All right, RS5 it is. Looks like I'll leave that brace in there for a minute. Looks like this thing going pretty square. Pretty square hitting in there, so I don't have to worry about that, just the back. Alright, we're gonna call this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Call this one number 6. Alright. Two. Break out the murder weapon. Got me some pieces here. Two. Two looks good. Trying to get as flush as possible. Definitely don't want it sticking out like some we got here. Three. Bueno. Alright. 4. 1 and 8, I need a little work. You go that? Let's sand in just a hair. Get little compound nuts there on an angle. Ooh. Little tight. Perfect otherwise. Yeah. Actually, it's just right. Okay. 5. Nice. 5 is nice. And this one here. Believe it or not, you know what I'm going to say, right? It's been a beautiful day here in southeastern Virginia, and I'm not kidding you. I mean, gorgeous. Again, chilly. I mean, it's been 60 degrees, but mostly sunny. We had like a little rain going on. Not much. Angle on these ones a little bit twisted. Here. Anybody knows actually how much a tad is? I've been told it's a hair above a smidgen. I don't know what you've been told. This gets wrapped with fabric. I'll come along here later, smooth these off. So you get these glued in place. Then you gotta come back in here with these. Bring them in here. And you're like this, till they're the right spot. And then glue it to that piece of plywood and staple it. Anyway, that's it for this evening. My wife and I are getting ready to go boogie. If you overdo that, we like to boogie every now and then. We just gotta go do boogie it. Ah, yeah. Okay. There we go. Well, thanks for watching. I hope your day was blessed too. Hope stuff's coming together like for you, like it is for me. This plane is moving right along, and as soon as I get the rest of these parts in here, we're gonna make it happen. One thing about waiting around for these other parts is I'm able to take care of a lot of details on this fuselage, so it's gonna be pretty well ready by the time I get the wing built, I think. When I first looked at this at the drawing, I'm like, oh man, this looks like a big giant pain in the butt, but once you get the concept in your head, and that goes for the whole plane, the concept of how it goes and what locks into what and this and that and why it does this. Like this here's a piece of double, here's a solid piece here, then this piece here has the notches in it up against that, makes it double strong. I don't know what goes in here yet. So I hope something, that's where my head is. But keep looking up. Remember, one day you're gonna see something big, and I hope you're there. Take care.